Man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. You know what, God? If I first time watch the channel there, please do subscribe. One King Flames. You know what I mean? If I support the two channel, One King Flames and Jammy Wood, enough respect, you know what I mean? Because we are fight a war. And it's not easy though. But we are doing survival, but great things in the pipeline coming. But anyway, we're not talk about the first part. I watch a movie, I tell me anything about it.
Again, never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in, no. Never give up, never, 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 never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and know it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past, that's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give.
Girl, come in bed now, man. Yeah, go up. We just come on fire. We go up and go.
I'm going to leave for them,
Well, I made us tearing over the salve. And you go up on the road already?
yeah, but if you go up on the road before we go stuff, you know, I used to my business.
Alright. We cannot tell, so I cool out for a minute. The time hot.
Alright, but I use the bathroom.
Alright, so I'm not going to wait tonight. I have to cook something before you come back. You know what I mean? Or if not, you just take our money and buy something.
Alright.
Yeah. So, how long you stand on the road? How long you stay on the road?
Not for long. Maybe about half an hour.
Alright. Hurry up and come back with something.
Alright, please. This one come. Yeah?
You're going to come in a comfort show.
Yeah.
Look here, no ramp with me now. You know, say, I don't want you use up, none of something enough to use up. Hope so nobody not get none, you know.
No, bills are you alone I get it.
Because the girl them a run off of me, I have to sight them.
Alright. Are you alone I get it, man? Don't worry yourself, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Time what the I don't know, what time can't stop, but anyway. I can't stop.
Oh God. I wish I close it, but it would dry. How comes? Who that? Girl. What you mean I drop? I want me to reach over here now. Alright, so. Long story, but before. Sit down now, you look tired, man. I'd say that I don't feel so injured, that's you know. Some deal. I don't know. I feel like I catch the flu. Yeah, I tried more. Yesterday rain a fall and we know if in rain I catch cold. What you not say you're brave? And what I been know so right now. Yeah, the hospital not pick you up. Right now I feel like beside us and run. Anyways, let me get 2 pints. Because I can't better for ground and beat on the bush. You see if my man... Why you do one favor for me? You see if my man asks you... You got the bingo party?
No, me never go.
Alright.
Me can't tell him.
Alright. You see if my man asks you if I got the bingo party? Tell him something go. Me and you go.
Of course. You're my friend, of course.
You do that for me?
Yeah.
Please, can I just have a feeling saying go ask you?
Yeah, me can't tell him that girl. Me and your friend long time, you know.
Oh God.
Me never
Why?
get to go.
Our
You
cousin.
fight.
You never do it?
Fight.
You fighting man not the
Cut all of me and right from here, so I cut my finger. But I'm running against only, but we get together back and things are working, but you know I could see it hard. You know, send me a tattoo on next man.
Hey!
The man can be on date, can be everywhere, go eat dinner, can be on the beach. Girl, at that the man, kind of man you want in your life.
Why? I don't know.
But me and him push idiot shot when I talk back same way, you know. But me a boss him all and me him cook dinner give it every day.
If it's happy, I think we do some shows like that we do. Anyways,
Later, cause you
Me
come
can't
up
see.
me do work.
we can't stay
Feel
on
if you
the
want it, you have money in it.
we can't stay on the road too long. I'm telling myself about half an hour me I go for. So me I go because we can't take it arguing.
Alright, later, me do that for you, man. That go.
Alright.
Alright.
Babes. Babes. But there.
We're
I
good.
don't feel good at all. I don't know what I mean. But I'm good, man.
Alright, so you go do your hair and good.
Yeah, man, yeah. You know what I do. So, you cook?
Go look in the kitchen there.
Alright.
Oh. That. Babe!
Yes.
Nobody share no food. Come on there.
What happened? What happened?
You tell me say you go bingo party, right?
Yeah.
Did you really go bingo party?
Yes, babes.
No, alright, you come back and I just say nothing to you now. Because I just a bill to see here what you're going to say to me. Because the bingo party, I was there at the bingo party. Yeah, and I go up, round the place, and I don't see you. I end up even play toward the bingo too. I sweat, but I never bingo. I know all the somebody will win, I can't tell you if somebody stay. Who win the bingo? Like the bingo, a man or a woman?
Alright. Not tell you the truth.
So what have you been telling me? Telling me all my life. I always think, see, I tell me the truth, you know. I never question a word in English what you say. So what have you been? Come. If I know what the first I tell me the truth, tell me it one year.
I'm going to be a flanker. Up on my sister.
You go up for your sister. The same sister will line up you with the ex. And so come you get the other man with there. Because your sister. So you go back up your sister again. So your ex back in the picture again.
That's why I name X in a pass. And my sister I'm going to look for.
Them say Tom drunk. But him no fool. Me get some of the cool rum and I drink if I want there, but me still no fool. I don't say that the rum they turn in an idiot. Still no fool. So me tell you one thing. Oh, you are look for your sister. I say I look for you. Lie tell. Oh, you are look for your sister. I say I look for you. It's a dangerous piece of girl. You tell me say that bingo party. Me no got a bingo party. I checked me a while ago. I was not the bingo party. But something about your movements, I can tell when some people telling me lie. Sometimes, me just get a vision. Say I tell me a lie, some use that pan yo. But anyway, I don't know how I go trust you then when they say I go on next party. So it's going to be the last party I go for now. Till me and you left. When me left, you go in the party you want to go. I don't know how you have to say go away. You sure it's a go check?
Yes, based on my sister, I'm going to check. Yeah, I'm going to call her.
No, man, I know sister go pick up for you. Sister go pick up for you, so I'm going to find the card and sister.
Just believe me now, please.
Anyway, I will asleep because that stress you. They can't keep me open and think about that. Right, so I will asleep and think. But if your sister go look for,
So what
for
is?
no one sister go look for you, eh?
What is this?
It's a recorder.
We have recorder for.
No, I always have a recorder and I buy it from one day, have it here. So by the time I left it in the house and listen when you sleep. To see if you can know man I'm not there.
So you don't trust me then?
No, I can't trust you. So that's that. Anyway, I will arrest. But for no one, make your sister come check you. You know what check your sister.
Alright.
I really want to look at something for him and nobody want him to turn off.
Michael. Girl, right now I'm stressed out. Like, literally, me stressed out. I can't think straight. You know what I'm saying? The man, I don't know what to tell you, but guess what? The man literally find out, say, bitch up on myself, the man find out, say, I'm not gonna know bingo party the other day. He tell me yes, saying go, then me now gonna say to him, say, alright, I'll put my sister, I'm gonna be late. Now you say, I have man. Girl, are you cause all of this, you know, are your fault. You go have to come down here, girl, come convince him. Come, I don't want him left me a good man, girl. Anyways, no. Girl, you go find a way come down here. You can come down here tomorrow? Alright, come, I can't stay long on the phone. He's saying go sleep, so out the door, I come and talk to you. So later, text me. The time hot. You said time no AC, so I found the. What is all the place I'm going to spend? Yeah, you're serious? No, just tell me if you're serious. You have better? Eh?
Listen. You're from country. Come on west.
I'm supposed to live better life now
Right
in
now,
the country.
right now I'm gonna be a year come from. And this is more country, so accept it. And me and my man live and me tell you that already. And I like me not me and you text and me tell you say. And me and my man live in a one little one room. So why problem? Now catch you look something for catch till you get by your foot and something.
Listen, we can put on my back. Because me think that your place is bigger than this.
You know, say you're ungrateful like say people have to help you know? Eh?
What do you mean that's why people don't help you?
You're too ungrateful.
Me not ungrateful. Me just say me think the place more bigger. Me think say I have AC. Me think say not even TV me not seeing ya. So me gonna do.
You want some
Me
cool?
don't want nothing.
Hello, you have phone?
Me have a phone.
Watch TikTok on YouTube for your phone. You
Me
know?
not like do that. Me like one time me bed and everything and me take off my clothes. Me come lie down and watch TV.
Yeah. So let me ask you something. How long you plan to stay? Eh? Have you ever your plan to stay?
No man, me not come to stay forever.
If I want 1 month, then you need to learn to adjust. That is wrong. That is what we're wrong with the Jamaican people. Only don't know if you adjust. I live up on the floor, you have to sleep. Learn to adjust.
Who was sleep on floor? And you are young man and go down there. You have to give me bed, me a visitor. You understand?
You see, so you don't have long hair. Because you want to come in my house and tell me how to run my show. Look here.
Anyway, so I go cook. You want to go cook so? Can you hold you go find me and come from?
I'm not cook today. Today is Friday. I'm not cook on
So
Friday.
we have go KFC?
You have money? Hmm? You come
The
in
man
and
no work. If a man work, your man must can buy one bucket. Call him, tell him say sister there. Tell one bucket of chicken this evening. You understand? Call him man.
I don't
Let
like
the
how you
man
come here and demand and like you want bad me up and oh my man coming at this. You not have man. You not have man. But I need to find one.
No, man. My last crosses. Then who's to say?
Okay. Make yourself at home.
Alright.
Serve!
Come in. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How can I help
You
you?
can sell me 3 bag of your cream and 2 eggs. And I think more roll them and a soup too.
Okay. Come in. Here you go.
How much this?
$1,000. Thank you.
I'm want peanut butter biscuit too. You
Okay.
know this is one peanut butter biscuit. This is almost to get about it.
Okay. Here you go. Thank
No,
you.
I give back the money.
No.
Change.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Change.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man. You're welcome.
Alright.
Have a blessed day.
Same here.
Alright.
So you know come over here with me. Alright then, come on. Thank you. Come on. This one did happen, do and I lie. I can't see up in man. Oh God, thank you. I'll buy 2 eggs for me and 3 eggs for you. And 2 me do and 1 egg. Yeah, me I go lose out this one creamy. And make it jar and then make comb it up nice. That one though. Look good otherwise though.
No, fun. Another tear, isn't it? No fear, isn't it?
Here you go. See I do. I make we do something before I go and lock it door.
I mean,
Oh, that was good. So yeah, enough right now. May I come? Come in. So, before man in your gone.
So I seen thing I do me.
What?
I seen thing I do me.
What me I do?
I take it so long I know if you open me door.
Me did not sleep. A Friday me out of me sleep.
So they know you said so.
Yes, you say fan now what good.
I mean if I know good.
Me did not sleep. In time me asleep, me sweat enough.
Anyway, what happened?
Nothing.
No man, it smell that smoke in it.
So you can go get some water for me? I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty as me come, you're thirsty.
You go for your water or not?
Alright. Cool or room temperature?
Cool. So what with the water now? Does it take long with the little water? Thank you, man. Aliyah. Aliyah. You say, girl, I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you, girl.
Come, hurry up. I know me love mix up.
So, girl, my man can go buy hair cream or something for my hair. So we come back now and see what we do want to get over. Me ask him if we want to go over and he say yes, I will go over and something. And they want to look at peace. They say, big time, we put on the clothes. Nothing one day I come. So I have to push him in that closet.
Your life funny. We can love man, so.
I don't love man. If a man not treat you right, where you going to sit down with him?
You
not sit down with no man
when
when not treat you good.
First place, you can't.
I never know say a handicap till we reach further in a relationship.
You see that? It's true there with him. Look how he's short and even you. When you can do it, I bet you want to please you.
No, I'm going to try.
Excuse me, I don't date two thirds.
Whatever.
My man have to
Oh, that me come to tell you. Where you over here go?
Me sit down and go and chill and there go down here.
Over here have different demand.
Yeah, I have a phone call for them tell me say I can't go somewhere where I go to.
You find somebody.
Girl, me always man just don't like public. I don't like when everybody know about things, but don't like when relationship public. I don't like it.
I forgot to did a one. Let me ask you the same
always
question
have a
again. I forgot to have one man.
But if me and I walk on the road, one day on the left, one day on the right, nobody can know so with it.
Me know what do work and me have friend.
You're gonna know.
Make sure you can mostly get catch.
I can change it and catch you and beat you again.
Beat you again.
I don't think you can get this time your mouth.
You see again like say him beat me and me sit down and ball and take it.
I say you said, and then if you thump out this time your teeth them.
You go like say if you hit me, I go sit down and ball like a baby.
I know, I'll my sister not come from when I hit me there.
You not go on the road later.
I said I wait for one car.
I didn't want me to go somewhere still, but anyways, tomorrow we go.
Oh yeah. I don't know about tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm over in the yard to
Miss me, I sit down over and I'm ready to go back. Me not have nobody over there.
So I'm people man over there.
And somebody that man?
Oh, I bet if you rasta the over there
Yes, yeah. I hear me like.
Yeah.
Me so like the one there when I'm out of my place too. So me sorry for making English here.
You still not getting no money?
No. I told me sorry for him. And me I give him bun counterpart so.
And my wash, cook and clean so.
Well, that's how I go. And he can't go on. So he can do something in my bed though. But a long time we don't do it still. But I really think so I'm gonna go back to 6.
I don't want you don't go. You do have sex life. I don't want you don't go. How we say you on the rasta do nothing you not tell me.
You see why I don't like come over here?
Galang your yard then. You come over here with the empty and they say, can one plate of food come? Galang your yard.
That's all I want, food, local food, D. Oh yourself, too much make your food hungry.
You come over here, come
I'm cooking up.
your man. This is your man. That you know. You're not even tell the man to buy one banana cheese. Make one banana cheese, one friend buy banana cheese. Nothing.
That's all you care about food, no?
What else? Money, little sex and no one dead, food, and little mix up in my soul, nothing more.
You can't go to me yard.
Yes, galang.
Later.
If you not come back with no food, don't come back.
Yeah, alright, you know. Me never come and fear food and get. Me never come and fear yard and get no food.
I mean, I cook for me and you. You supposed to cook for me and you.
Oh, so you feel bigger than me.
Yes.
You feel job thin and you feel job both.
Yes.
That's a good life, good baby. Later.
Alright, man, take your egg.
Why it's one hot door? Sis! Yes!
Oi.
Sun hot as man.
See porridge here. See look a spoon there. Right now your sister go bex, you know, but because what me ration out the thing, so I not have enough to make one whole heap, so I make some for you and some for me. Alright?
Yeah.
So, alright though. What a mosquitoes. I'm flying fast. I don't know mosquitoes are so fast.
I'm gonna try to see.
Taste if you like it. You like it? You not like it till you taste, you know. Tastes good? Right, just see you. You not go back home?
No.
Yeah,
Why?
A good vibration, man.
You
Case
wanna
sister
go?
make you look like you want. No, you're going. So my time, you know, good things can go on. Your sister now if you know what go on between me and you. Anything with there, for me and you. Your sister will get something out of it. She do my body now. Actually, I'm not telling about your sister, but I tell her
What
something
should
about
you?
She do my whole heap of things. She carry man in here, you know.
What?
She carry man in here. Alright.
That not nice.
You say you're fool, you're the mad one.
Me a mad one?
So you say
That
nice
my
family.
sister so
So when you see her come now, I'm surprised to see how brilliant you are and how sensible you be. But she tell everybody down here say she have a sister up some mad.
Jesus Christ.
So when you say sister come now, me think I'm smarty mad. When me see you have a beautiful eye, and I see you have a long tongue, and I see you look good and things. No, I come see you laugh and enjoy yourself. Yeah, you look good. You're good.
Wow. I can't believe my sister said that one.
I was surprised and shocked. You know my sister up there, are you alone?
My older sister, she
Same thing.
Well,
I know she alone do that, you know. Yeah, some different girl from some different place and then they go know them talk about them family bad. Because you know why? A bad mind.
Well, that's true. That's true. But she tastes good still and still.
There's a lot of things now here when taste good, but stick around, you get to taste it. Yeah man, we true like me, I do different cooking, yeah man.
What kind of other cooking I do?
You can't cook every little thing, you can't cook veggie chunks, make it the things are chicken in you.
You bad, sir?
Yeah man, we should do cooking before, you know.
Okay. Anything I say?
Before we start do the plumbing work, I'm here sir. Yeah, chef. So I forgot work doing the camera. I have a plumbing job for do it today, you know?
Yeah, man. Not separate. But me go want money for something.
You say as soon as you get the money off a plumbing job, you are get it. You are get in the money, you're in it. And for you in it, I'm in you, everything good. You're just your sister and a half, you know. Anything me and you do?
Alright, sir. Anything you say?
Keep your mouth and keep your account growing.
Which is right.
And then you now go buy food, you know. And if you work, you're interested in provide food for you special. So my day they make go to KFC and buy coming out so them sit down like.
You know, feel some sister got feel so.
She now go no man.
You sure?
You tell us you have a man out the road there. We take care of you. So my time come in the same so we buy you, come say your man buy it. And your man no like front appearance. Him anonymous. Unknown. That time you don't know what's I mean in your zone. It can't work. It go work.
Alright, sir.
I can't stay on because I move right now.
Yeah, later.
Yeah. Right now. When she come, just tell her, just wash out the pot for me. And turn it down. When she come out for the porridge, tell her 7 days get the time to make no porridge. You know what I mean? Because only two when they could have make only 2 bowls. So I drink 1 bowl, you drink 1. When she come, tell her say enough, never there. So my neighbor make it. And the neighbor when you come check me and I give the neighbor the ingredients them when they have. Alright?
I see if the door open, anybody can push the door come in.
Almost when your man did I go through in the feet open.
That's all I do, you come here, I come here, come here for sleep. Yeah? I come here, come here, I was to sleep. That's all to see you do. At the end time, I sleep, you're not going to work.
It's not the idea with
What kind of work? You don't know?
well, sir. We have a friend and a man we are talking to.
One of them that's right.
Friend on your road, man. But he's a person like this. He's not really like people knowing business. He's secretive. Or something.
Me happy face, they might take care of you or something.
Yeah, he's not take care of me and give me money and breakfast and something. Anyway, the porridge. Your boyfriend never make you porridge, you know.
What do you mean by not making porridge?
He don't make no porridge.
I say me come here, come drink porridge. And he tell him before me left to make you porridge, you know.
He said as much ingredients never did it. So one neighbor come back and make him some ingredients and he give me about them. Like how we hungry.
So we can style that in the pan. So I'm going to eat now.
I don't know, sister.
Anyways, girl, I'm glad that I would be doing. I'm glad that I would be doing. I'm telling like, cause a long time I didn't see you. And now that we are trying to rebuild the sister band that we have, that's a good thing.
A good thing. But anyway, what your plan? What your plan for though? You gonna stay in this little something here forever? What your plan for do? You not decide to move up.
Things take time.
I know, but I can't work with
Where are you going? You just come here a week now. And yeah, call me place. Look, when me in here now, no rain now with me now. No rain now with me.
When the rock me the other day when I fall and me see something did I drop from me. So what's that did I drop from me? I want bucket me to put on the bed. So what you talking about?
Let me ask you something. Are you alone see that the rain there
No,
falling?
your
now?
man they see it too.
So what me did there when rain a fall and me told me alone there?
Me did just come back from a fire road and rain the fall.
Anyways, one day we're gonna go fire, so one day I may believe so it's gonna happen.
In Jesus' name, amen.
Get up off of me. So what going on in Mummy now?
Boy, mommy alright, you know. Every day I get up, go on a farm, go and dig yam. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, you know, she say I'm getting that age. Me, not go on no farm, go dig no yam. I hot yam, I don't understand it.
You know, when you sell yam, you make money. You know how much I pound for yam at $400
Make you
pound?
not go and go sell it.
If me could have sell it
Go
right
and
now,
up there
me
go
go
sell
sell
it.
it.
Me tell you, make mommy send it down palm bus or something. Send come give you, and you go on the market and you go and go sell it. And take yourself out of the man.
You know, full of too much pride that you don't know. You prefer live down with one man to get money.
Yeah. Alright,
That's why man I use you.
and you man I use.
No man can use
No
me.
man can use you. So the phone get bored. And now ones. What's anyway? Where's your one?
What's your plan? What's your plan?
Man, I like your carry.
Girl, hey, every day I sit down and remember about my childhood. Me I tell you. Remember we used to run up and down and in a barrel and roll down hill and carry tire. Eh? I know you grew up come like me your size. Eh?
You're lucky.
Remember say just the other day I tap this bed.
Where me better?
Eh?
Back up your argument. You're too out and no manners. Me talk piece bed from me at 2 what that mommy says, so I don't know where you're
I like mommy I tell you when you're about 14 that you don't remember.
More fire, sir. I used to piss bed. And one night mommy call around the phone. I should come and sleep with me. The guy around there piece up mommy. Piece up all like woman. Roll. You're the
No.
nasty for training.
I remember saying you piss the bed and put me in it and get up and change your clothes. You don't remember no? You're damn nasty. I know you come and give me tough chat about my place little. Eh? You have place
Remember
here,
when
sir?
time one day mommy she got a bank. And I go under her bed when I count out the money and the money just come just swipe up with $2,000.
Why those were the days?
Hey, the next day we got school, everybody, we're rich, you know? Killing it. Hey, nowadays money and money again.
I don't like.
$2,000
Money them not
enough
no
money.
value. No value they not. Anyways, then I get hot girl. Me I go to the records to go fresh you.
Yeah, man.
I want to know where you want to fire in this land. Yes?
I'm not thinking about that. I'm going to tell me this.
I'm going to tell her this too. Me not even want to see her talk up. Your fire get too close to you.
Really, by me, if I get told to the sister.
Me
You
not
know
like,
that
me not like you and tell her the truth. You don't prefer me tell her the truth?
What do you mean? When I say we get too close, what do you mean?
You're too close. My man and my man go find a man.
So
God
you
bless
just tell
a
us
man.
if you find one man.
Listen, God bless a man that find his own. Go and go find your own a man and go laugh up. Me don't want to see you laugh up or down with my man.
If you want to love it in there, you must expect some go chat and laugh and something. What kind of thought that?
When you
come here with the me not go and so.
When you see him and him a laugh and chat to the comic tired, if you take saying to a friend and me go have a conversation with him, you go like you're idiot and I listen to him, no laugh with him too much. That's how me tell you. I don't know.
Me can't do that. If you want to talk to me, you have to talk to him and respect you. Me in the man place, so you talk about. Then the man goes say, your sister and no manners. If you come out of my house, this, that, I don't know what the man do to
Let
me.
me deal with that. Him can't put you out.
Most of this are worst thing ever happened.
Girl, man, this a come. I dare she hype up herself and take me for take him right now. Long time I see her like her do stills. And when I come around and so, I see her like woman a long time. I know. So what's about that?
My woman do. So, you know, go work for woman and one normal smarty.
Hello. I'm not responsible woman or what you want to have. So when I take girl man, I take girl man straight. I'm not responsible girl. You hear me I tell her? But alright. All yourself later. Alright, later.
Yeah, you can come in.
I'll go on. Let me just get down to business. See, first time I see you, I like you. Yeah, first time I come here and get the phone to fix, I like you. But I see your woman come in same time, I couldn't get to tell her. Yeah, just like, I like you. You know like me?
Of course. Of course.
So what happened?
So, yes, make me go on that thing now.
Come in now.
Come, get up. Young man soon come. Make case.
Army suffer, the army.
Come on, man, come catch
Because when I get it good a while again in the army.
Come on, man.
I put on my clothes now. Boy, I clean, I can't go on with that thing, boy, go on with yourself.
Of course. You know,
You're active.
you know, so nobody good. You have to be active.
You're active.
Yeah, man. I know snacks meat and be a good food meat and drink up strong juice.
Alright, later.
Alright.
I'm so tired. How you better all up?
Me did not sleep yet.
Sleep, I did not sleep in a middle day like this and the bed looks so.
I'm tired. Me never dream too.
What
Me
is
never
that?
bad dream.
You cook though? Betsy you no cook.
No.
In your sleep, I no cooking. I know say me soon come back for dinner. Eh? Hold bed hand up.
Where you me for?
You bet in your sleep and I no cook me dinner. Don't make it repeat itself again. Don't get me some water for drink. You're sharp like. Hurry up! When me hear around there go, where around there go but for me send off some water, me throw water for you man.
I'm not going to go there.
Me hear you. You come back and tell me lie.
Me not tell you lie be. I dream me I try to remember. And I say something.
What you did that dream about?
Me not dream say me get to our next work. And me I say
Go and go cook. Me hungry.
hold on.
You know I come back.
Mm-hmm.
Get to work. By the way, I want some money. I want to buy some clothes.
Yeah man, after we finish, you get the money.
Alright.
Babes! Babes!
Hold on there.
What are you doing now? Hello? I can't hear that. Babes!
Hold on, me I come.
Why take so long?
Something drop on that bed.
What up on that bed?
We open that bed, me have to go please.
Hello? Babes!
See I beat down your door for you know you tell us me I come.
So you tell them to open the door. What?
I something I look on that bed.
Eh, when you tell them to open the door, so? Choose some peace, we tired.
Then so you guys so far come slow and say
No,
me.
want it down. No, want me to tell you, me did we bag of your cream and one H do me here. Me never can buy that for me.
You know, so me no have no money I know.
More do me here.
Me no have no money right now.
So me I go do.
But me no know.
Alright, me see if me can get it boy from one of my friends. But anyways, me I go use the bathroom and come back.
Alright.
You know I'm gonna have my money come.
Babe,
Yeah.
you tired, you know? Me I feel sleepy. I don't even know.
Like say me you pick me. My mother and my father never boss me up so.
Oh. So I never feel like coming in.
I something in the pan road there.
You know, let me dey over here wait for you. Where did the pan road that do?
I some work me not do it.
What kind of work?
Me not help a man fix something.
No, me believe say a liar tell me though.
Me not tell you lie.
Come, slow yourself. No, me believe say a liar tell. What kind of work at the pan road I do? Explain.
I want TV, me not help him fix.
Want TV I help him fix.
Yes, babe.
No babes me. Me I know your babes. Don't babes me.
So no me are you there.
Matter of fact, go in the kitchen. The kitchen want clean up. Go in there right now. How your shot look so?
I tell you sir, I work me make my friend work on the TV.
Yeah, you work for a winner and I kind of money. Go in the kitchen. So, which one I want to watch? The one there or the one there?
No, that one there. Go back.
Which one? Make a flow?
Yes.
Oh.
The movie are nice, man.
I tell him say a good boy.
See the one Jamaican movie there.
Well, I'm missing one. I use the bathroom.
Me know the boy there. No? Me I watch each one you get up.
I use the bathroom there.
Alright. Me know the boy there.
Hello. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Okay. Yeah, maybe I know. the woman there, I was, you know, I see my phone ring. I get up and tell her I see never use it. Yeah, I tell her I said that you never use. So I'm good. Alright, now company road later. Yeah, then I tell her I see never the bridge in the city. You see?
You don't know the rest of the morning.
Yeah, man, I know it, man.
You see him already, man.
Hello? What? Where's the TV blackout? You plug in and see screen flash. And then you don't see nothing again. Alright. Alright, I come look on it. I soon forward. You know some Virgin TV. The same TV I tell us me now can fix. He say plug in the TV, turn on the screen flash, and then you go and you must see nothing on it. So I run go over there and look on it.
Alright, do it, not take long now.
No be.
Girl. Look where I lie down. The time so hot. Awesome. Look at her back. Look at her back. Princess, look at her back. How are you going to the suitcase? Come.
Listen.
Listen.
Your time up in this also. So if I'm like here, come take your belongings and go on. Come.
Good girl.
Because me take over this place here now.
What do you mean by time up? What do you mean by time? I want to this little girl after me take you from flank. And brush you off and polish you. You want to come put me out of my house?
Yeah. Because when you for there for do I cut. You do your woman duty, you know, they do no woman duty. Me come here and do it, so a man love me more than you. And the man say you got to go, so you got to go.
After me there with my man. Over 5 years now. You little piss out your girl. What just done piss your bed other day. Want come here come put me out? So you take my man now?
Yeah, me I take your man, I know just now. A long time me I take your man.
Oh,
From
so the,
come and me they take your
so
man.
the boy when you tell me boy about breakfast and he treat her good and he might give money on my man. On my man. I'm style for your kill. Eh?
Yeah.
I'm not even fight over no money there.
Over. You big yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's the stuff in. Yeah.
Come out, way. Eh? You gotta take 10 of you to take me out here. Today.
Come out.
Can't believe this. Miss woman's sister may come from same mother. Same mother and same father. You come here, left from Montego Bay. Sorry for manga dog, then turn around bite you. Me take you in because you don't live no way. And you come here, come and take me man and want to come
Just
me.
come.
Hey, not touch me now, use it for... Hey, me. Let me go. Alright, let me go.
Yes, I'm mine now. Right. Oh, Ta'ala. Never seen nothing like this. What? When I take people, man, I saw your body top.
Let me come and beat on the people them door. Friend, come here, please. Hurry up.
I want you. If you come over here, beat on the place and the ball, what happened?
My sister.
What happened between you and your sister?
Me gonna tell her say, me need let my sister come down. Girl, the girl just fight me off.
And what you say to me? I lie.
I'm a honey crop. I can't
So
believe
why your sister fight you? Why? Jesus Christ. Girl, turn up and talk to me now. Tia, what happened?
my sister took my man.
What? No, girl, talk to me straight now.
Fire and my sister in a relationship. Right under my nose, girl.
A prank me or what? Because this look like a prank you prank me.
To tell you the truth, I wish I did prank me and prank you. I wish I did want to prank this girl.
So you just a find out your sister take your man?
Girl, me there in the house every day. Other day, me I said to her, I say, I don't like how your man a laugh up. You understand? Them a laugh up, like, kiki. And I go, and she a convince me, and I said, me will talk to you about it. And I said, nothing now go on and this and that. And today the girl confirmed. Right now, one of my body in a plate.
I want your body, she fight you?
Literally fist fight and
So you know all of that shit, you kick her out of your house.
she said I'm put all my clothes, my suitcase she put out.
No, come on, we are go over there. Come on. Break us. Oi! Where you have me from? Come on.
And my sister that you know.
And your sister, but your sister take your man, kick you out. Girl, come on, we are go over there. Go on. Tia.
Tia another year.
Tia.
Tia down the year.
Go to the door now.
Tia another year.
Me a left here.
Put it on the door with you.
One piece of money. Come collect the money, don't get to go about the business.
Tia don't live here anymore, so it don't make no sense to collect nothing for Tia.
Girl, you get her money for drop off right here. So her money will come to drop off.
Push she on the door.
Tia.
She not the year.
Tia. Tia. Girl.
Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. My friend. You can't beat him back. Beat him, girl. Beat him. Come on, my friend. Come on. Why are you here? So we be, girl. We not tell no lie, my sister. It's like a pear, yam and banana and that she not sit. I can't believe I make you get strong. Anytime you come back, I call you. You
have in here. No, but listen up. You shouldn't do this. Do what?
Listen up.
Enjoy your time with my country boy.
Listen up. She there with my man. Right? So now the man if you argue with.
When the man come, we throw him out. That's the rest of the boom. Right down fierce. Where machete? Where cutlass? They make chop him up. Girl, you know machete here. You know machete? They want open the door.
No. You know, come back here. Go and come over here.
Where I go? Go get a yard. But you want to contact for your sister, man. Kill this dirty, nasty girl. Kill this! Can't but me, you're a bad girl. Me kick out the man when he come here.
You don't like this. You don't like this.
You never hear about me yet, me a bad girl. I want to find him
You are too much.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to the life, burn it down to the ground. You don't watch a movie and now we're there on the riverside. Tell us I'll be down by the river, giving thanks and praises for a lovely day. You know what I mean? Yeah man, the car wash over dust, so you know where you're going. Don't worry about the sun here in the background if you hear any. But anyway, we're there going to hold it off still. You know what I mean? So you know, so we're there on the verge of going to 100. We do 100 already on Richard Brown Films. I almost gone 200 now, but we carry to 100 and add. You know what I mean? Now we are working on this station here. To ensure say we carry to 100 and more. Even a million. But we know say it has been a fight over the years to really get it to there. So we are go back to the drawing board. Yeah man, so you can see, so we are go back for some of the people that must work with from the beginning. A lot of people they wonder why we don't work with some people, but it's not one reason. You know what I mean? In every organization, we start small. As you start climb and go to where you go find corruption. So. Yeah, say. You know what I mean? So some of the time, them the thing that we kind of derail some of the people them, you know what I mean, after the journey, you know what I mean? And different from that, you have personal reason to why some people have to go back where they come from and go deal with some personal issues, but we and them good same way. You know what I mean? So it's no great deal or nothing. One of the major things we have with Jamaica film industry, it's the beginning of it, really. It never started yet, and we are started. Because 1 and 2 movies we make as high budget, you know, like every 10 years, there's a movie at Jamaica. Think good and look back, if I lie me and tell. Every 10 years, every 12 years. So it never really a bill give the need for a real TV station. But now we do want a TV station here that deal with Jamaica movie. We want it for the Caribbean, should say. A Caribbean TV station that deal with a movie. Yeah, that with the people them when them work, then can get paid. Now, YouTube are the best way you can do. So, we come off of YouTube, not sufficient. You know what I mean? For people make a good living. So it's survival where YouTube is. And because the diaspora kind of divided, Jamaica diaspora divided, so they're not really focused so much on what's going on and where the strength is needed. So like we shall get 1 million views long time. We shall get 1 million subscriber long time. Because it's 10 million Jamaican in the diaspora. You know what I mean? Not only so I show you say something wrong. You know what I mean? So and I can't figure out everything. So while me I try to figure out how to get movie on a better quality, because right now I know so the editing on some of the past movie them really bad. But like me say, we were at survival and still at survival. So after we survive, we go get better. And after we get better, we're gonna give you more. You know what I mean? So it has been practicing from we start until now we have practiced. You know what I mean? So in all of the ways them, we are look forward to greater things. You know what I mean? So we have to make a trip down here so this morning. See if I and I go take a wash off some of the crosses and destruction of I&I in Babylon system. Just like how the breeze of blue and the river flow. More all of the negative vibe just wash away. Go down at some place. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it man. So we give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks to life at all times. And we've been fighting the war. And the war not done yet. You know what I mean? I wish I could say it done, but it's not done yet. And over there, me I look into certain things and me realize black man is a problem. You know what I mean? Black man is a problem. And I am black. So me I want you understand? So me I say from a point of view I want to understand what I'm saying. Black love fight against black. And black love cunning. Black people that they're not united too much. The most them united when them see how do a thing is to take over. It's just the instinct of black man. It's not really for build. So individual we work best when we are individual than when too much black people are the something. I see there's a problem there because everybody want to be the king at the same time. Everybody want to run the place at the same time. You know what I mean? Nobody will wait. Because if we bring movie party there, I guess me I reach here all a reason. And me I remember him say, yo, back in the days, you know, when we just start and we have like 5,000 subscribers and nothing now go on and no food, no did anything and my brother say, yo, you what daddy, cut it here so. Yes, so we are left it off, we're not going no further with it. You know what I mean? And Richard say, yo, you go work man. I said, daddy, yo, right now I'm vex man, but me just vex at the time, but by later come because we do it because we love it. You know what I mean? And through that, this is how it comes so far. From the love of our feet, every day we say, yo boy, we're not going no further because it's stressing. But we still do it. It's still stressing. You know what I mean? Because everything we make have to go back out in a bill, really. So nobody now get no big money where they can really, so it's a futuristic mission. It's for the future. It's not for present tense now. It's for the future. So we need to get a channel differently where I deal with Jamaican movie and I run ads and everything on it. We have to for a whole heap of people that means say a little money can make off it, so we make off of YouTube, we make off everything can group up. So you access them, can get a car, can get a house. You know what I mean? Can get something of a show outside. We can't compare with African because Africa, how much million people? Jamaica is just 3 million. So we can't really say we are lucky into Jamaica alone. We have to expand. We want the Caribbean to unite and the Caribbean to in a swing while going on now. Because only when we see go work, if you compile the whole of the Caribbean, you will get some more people. You understand? So that's right there right now where movies concerned. But we keep on doing it still. We do it for love. You know what I mean? So when you see we are doing it, no fees are rich. And no fees are we make a bag of money. No, we not make it. So when you see people don't come back, some of the time it can be financial because them bills and them thing too high and them do it for a minute but them have to go move on to something where they can save money because in future did it. You know what I mean? Back in the days we have a school as around the same way. But her finish make she live with it till she finish school. And she did that for a while but at the end of the day she have to move and she don't want to go be, you know what I mean, at work. I try to get some money, I try to build herself. So we can't say she will stay here so and the money not going to turn over fast enough unless you see a movie you go to straight through the first of your life. But if on a movie you go to the first of your life, you have to push on. Because once you take on just like music. Who the music would understand what I'm saying. The journey of music, who a journey for music, and many people journey for music and never make it. You know what I mean? It's a sad story. Many. So it's the same way with this. But only difference with movie is that people see and hear from you and everything. So it have a more better chance of you making something out of it in the long run. You know what I mean? So that's also the basic thing what we want to do for now. We are trying to see if we can uplift ourselves and put in some infrastructure for better off. We have some different things to talk about, but we'll talk about it soon. You know what I mean? But we just say big up on yourself for all the people from that time that been supporting the movements. You know what I mean? And big up to all the people that been promising. Because some of the promising them where some people make, but we lose some of the people them too. Because we have one person who part, we on a shoot, and one lady called from America. Well, bossy and show off and say she have wally for this and she have wally for that. Build up the female hope so she go send a thing for her. And then the female thinks that I get the thing from her and I give it to her. So she starts talk behind them back, say me get money and I give her. And then me have to call the person and say, Mama, how much money did you give me to give to the person? And she said, oh, me apologize, my money never come through and the money never this. And so if she never really run her mouth and build up the girl hopes now with her work with a female. So there's plenty of reason why females them do after them decide to go different way and go do different things. It's more than one reason. So who interested in the movie still, you also most of them come back when the time is right because they try to fix themselves while we are trying to fix the business. So it's like paying them dues in the time when them can. When you see them do some movie for a while, but then still have to go move on and go do something for them make some money. So while we are pay every way, people are learning, you know what I mean? So we just there go and hold it off still on the riverside, down by the river, go and burn a one fire, you know what I mean? Soon take a truck off in the water and you know what I mean? And just hold a vibe. Because the sun hot, you can see, but I'm black, so the sun work with me. And the sun a friend like that. That's it. So big up to everybody out in the world. From that time, all I sponsor them, all I producer them, when you know on yourself, big up on yourself. My number that go up on the screen. I lose most on the number. You understand? I lose most on the number. So I don't have it. And I like to get it back. So you WhatsApp me and send me a picture and the name and everything I can know who. I can put Lucky in the back. Because I said from when, but I don't know if you want to see it. But now, and so you see we bring back Pinky now. So Pinky back in our place and now, so a whole work go on. We have a couple movie lined up already where we go start shoot. So look out for him and a whole lot of things go on. You see actually intro it. You know what I mean? So bag of thing go on. Bunny down to the ground man. Where they are going to hold it up? I want to take a swim.